with 7 wickets. Here are happy the followers. जाने वाले यहाँ पे बहुत ही खुश है चुकर रॉयल्स की. So this is end of this match. Chukar Royals win this match. Great batting, great bowling by Chukar Royals. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again. This is a T20 cup played at Iqbal Memorial Chaksari between Black Caps versus Chukar Royals. First, Black Caps Chaksari, they win the toss and they decided to bat first, but they give their low target to Chukar Royals 160 runs in 20 hours. Now Chukar Royals, they need 106 runs in 20 hours. Very well good bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Royals, especially Faisal Ahmad Najjar and Kamran and also Nisar Dar and the big man of Chukar Royals, Irfan shot lefty. Now the two batsmen come on crease. The two batsmen for Chukar Royals is Irshad, the lefty, the big man of Chukar Royals, and Tahir Ahmed, he knows him, TM, the two batsmen now. Chukar Royals, they need 106 runs and this is a low total on this pitch. Very good and decent bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Royals here. Now they need only 106 runs. Sheikh Mushtaq is the bowler for Black Caps Chaksari. Here we can say that Black Caps Chaksari, they need their early wickets because they have low target for Chukar Royals. Now this is the first delivery of the second inning. Sheikh Mushtaq to Irshad lefty, and this is a good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. This is dot delivery, no run. Score remains no on board still. And this is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Irshad lefty. And this is another good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. Dot delivery, no run. Here is Iqbal Memorial Chaksari playground. The two teams are Black Caps Chaksari and Chukar Royals. The target for Chukar Royals is only 106 runs. Sheikh Mushtaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty, and Irshad lefty plays a shot, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder of Black Caps Chaksari. No runs. आज जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए आज चुकर रॉयल टीम के बॉलर्स की उतनी कम है. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे इस चक्सरी इकबाल मेमोरियल के ग्राउंड पर. Now this is Sheikh Mushtaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty, and Irshad lefty plays a good shot for 4. This is first 4 for Irshad lefty, and with this 4 the score for Chukar Royals is 4 runs on board with this 4, and Irshad lefty opens his account with this 4. This is a great shot played by the batsman Irshad lefty. This is first 4 for Irshad, first 4 for Chukar Royals. Now they need only 106 runs. Latif Kashmiri, thank you for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream on my YouTube, Facebook, and you can also watch this though. So it is Sheikh Mushtaq to Irshad lefty, and that's very well comeback by Sheikh Mushtaq. Good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. Dot delivery. Score remains on 4. Thanks for watching this Latif Kashmiri, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Sayyid Muzammil, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam, Sayyid Muzammil Saab, for your support for watching this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. So this is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Irshad lefty. Oh, this is good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 4 runs after 1 hour. This is only Hilal Ahmed Noon. He gave 20 runs to Black Cap Chaksari, and Sheikh Mushtaq, he is only make 20 runs. John Butt Now after 2 hours, the score on board is 4 for Chukar Royals. Now they need only 102 runs in 114 deliveries. This is a very low total on this pitch. Rafi, Rafiq, thank you for live stream को देखने के लिए, इसके लिए बहुत ही शुक्रिया आपका. Easy to handle for Chukar Royals. Thanks for your support, Rafi Rauf Saab, to Chukar Royals. Keep share this live stream with your friends. Now on strike, the big hitter of Chukar Royals, Tahir Ahmed, he is on strike now. The record rate for Chukar Royals is only 5.50 runs. Sam Muzammil, John Butt को सलाम बोलना, जो कीपर्स है जॉन बट को सलाम सैम मुजम्मिल की तरफ से. थैंक यू सैम मुजम्मिल साहब फॉर योर लव टू द कीपर ऑफ ब्लैक कैप चक्सरी. डियर फरहाम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. थैंक यू डार फरहाम साहब, फरहान साहब, thank you for your love and for your support to this live stream. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. So this is the new bowler for Black Cap Chakri is Butt Umar is on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is a great bowling, good delivery by Butt Umar, dot delivery, no run, score remains on 4 without any wicket. Mehrajuddin, John Butt, captain of Surrey Warriors. Thanks Mehrajuddin for love to Surrey Black Caps. This is Butt Umar on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is a good delivery by Butt Umar, dot delivery. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel, Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. Right now, this is Butt Umar to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. This is wide. With this wide, the score moves on 5 without any loss. Now they need only 101 run. This is Butt Umar to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. This is a good delivery. Comeback, good comeback by Butt Umar. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 5 without any loss. This is the second over of this evening. The target for Chukar Royals is only 106 runs given by Black Cap Chakri. Not good batting today play by Surrey Black Caps. This is Umar to the batsman Tahir. This is first 4 for Tahir and the 4 for Chukar Royals. With this 4, the score moves on 9 without any loss. This is the first 4 for Tahir. Now Butt Umar on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. आप सबका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए. Butt Umar to the batsman Tahir. Tahir plays another shot, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder of Black Cap Chakri. No run. Score remains on 9. Now they need 97 runs only, and they have 199 deliveries. Butt Umar to the batsman Tahir, and this is a good shot, but and this is first. Oh, here Ahmed lost, but here Ahmed lost this wicket of Tahir Ahmed. Big wicket he lost here. This was the chance for Chakri Black Caps, but they lost this chance of Tahir Ahmed. Not good taken by the fielder Hilal Ahmed at the end. After 2 hours, the score on board is 9 without any wicket. Here was the chance of a wicket for Black Cap Chakri, but they lost this chance. Sheikh Mushtaq on his second over to the batsman Irshad Lefty. The big man on strike now, Irshad Lefty. Shadab Shaukat Rafi Abbas say thank you Shadab Shaukat for watching this live stream, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel. Now this is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Irshad Lefty. This is a good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq, dot delivery. Score remains on 9 without any loss. If Black Cap Chakri need to stay in this tournament in this match, because this is knockout tournament, they need early wickets here because they have low total, given only 106 runs to Chukar Royals. Sheikh Mushtaq. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Irshad Lefty. This is second 4 for Irshad Lefty, and with this 4, the score moves on 13 runs without any wicket. Great batting by Irshad Lefty. The big man is on strike. Now they need only 93 runs in 108 deliveries. This is the third over of this second inning of this match between Chukar Royals versus Bilek Kapsuri. First Bilek Kapsuri, they win the toss and they decided to bat first, but they give the target of 106 runs only to Chukar Royals. After 2.2 overs, the score on board is 13 runs without any wicket for Chukar Royals. This is Sheikh Mushtaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. Mehrajuddin John Butt, captain of Surrey. Well, thank you Mehrajuddin for your love to Black Cap Chaksari. This is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Irshad left. This is a good comeback by Sheikh Mushtaq. Good delivery, and this is dot delivery. Here was the appeal but cannot impress the umpire. This is good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. Score remains on 13 without any loss. Sajad Ahmad Tar, Chukar Royals win inshallah. Thanks Sajad Tar for your support to Chukar Royals, and also thanks to watch this live stream. Keep share this live stream. This is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman shot lefty, and this is another but and this is white tune by the umpire. White. With this white score of Chukar Royals moves on 14 runs without any loss. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुकर रॉयल्स के बॉलर्स की उतनी कम है. So this is Sheikh Mushtaq to Irshad lefty. That is another good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. Good comeback by Sheikh Mushtaq. No run. Score remains on 14 without any loss. Black Caps Chaksari, they need their early wickets here if they want to stay in this tournament, stay in this match. Sheikh Mushtaq to, oh, this is a great delivery by this bowler Sheikh Mushtaq. This is dot delivery, no run. Very good delivery at the end by Sheikh Mushtaq. After 3 hours, settle it is a last delivery. So Chukar Royals, they need only 92 runs. Sheikh Mushtaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. This is a another this is a wide given by the umpire. Wide delivery. The score moves on 15 without any loss. Here was not happy the keeper of Bill Chukar Chaksari Black Caps with this decision of umpire, but at the end the decision of umpire is lost decision. The two batsmen for Chukar Royals are Tahir Ahmad. He is on non-strike. He is on 4 runs with the help of 1-4, and Irshad lefty, he is on strike and he is on 8 runs with the help of 2 fours. Now this is the last delivery of this third over. Sheikh Mushtaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. Oh, this is a good delivery by at the end, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With this single, the score moves on 16. Sam Bilal, TM will make a quick 50. I hope so. Thanks for your love to TM, and also thanks to Sittu to bat, Kaisar, Ishfaq, Javed, JD, and Nadeem, Wahid, Faisal. Very good bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Royals today at Sariwarpura ground. Sam Bilal, जुड़ने के लिए आपका शुक्रिया. जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और हमारी क्वालिटी वीडियो की कैसी आप पहुंच पा रही है आप तक. कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. नाउ Butt Umar on bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. Now 91 need Chukar Royals for this win. Black Caps Chaksari, they need early wickets here. Muhammad bin Majid, good luck both the teams. Thank you Muharram bin Majid. Thanks for love. Thanks for your support. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad. This is Butt Umar on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty, the great cricketer of Chukar. This is a good shot played by the Irshad lefty. This is 4 for Irshad. This is 4 for Chukar Royals. The score moves on 19 runs with this 4. Very good batting by Irshad lefty. Bilal Ahmad, thanks for watching this live stream average. Very good batting today by Irshad lefty here at Chaksari ground. The two teams are Black Caps Chaksari versus Chukar Royals. Now, but Umar on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Irshad lefty. The big man of Chukar. Very good shot played at hand. And this is 4 for Irshad and 4 for Chukar Royals. With this 4, the score moves on 23 runs. And this is a low total here at the ground Sri Akbal Memorial given by Black Caps Chaksari. Now they need 87 runs in 101 deliveries. Sajad, thanks for your allow. This is a Batumar to Irshad lefty. This is a wide delivery. Not good delivery by the bowler Batumar. आज निराश किया ब्लैक कैप्स चक्सरी ने अपने चाहने वालों को अपनी बैटिंग से क्योंकि एक लो टोटल देने में कामयाब हुई आज 106 runs. So this is Bat Umar to the batsman Irshad lefty. Oh, this is a great bowling, great comeback by Bat Umar. This is great delivery here by Bat Umar. Top delivery. Score remains on 25 without any loss. This is Sam Bilal. Thanks Sam Bilal for your love for watching this. Now Bat Umar to the batsman Irshad lefty. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman, but at the end, very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves on 26. Now the big hitter of Chukar Royals, TM, is on strike now. 80 runs in 99 deliveries. Bat Umar on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is a wide delivery given by the umpire White. With this wide, the score moves on 27 without any loss. Here Chukar Royals, they need cool cricket here because they have low total, 106 runs only. Bat Umar to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Oh, this is the big 6 for Tahir Ahmed. Oh, very good shot. This is the big hitter of Chukar Royals. They need this batsman, and this is huge 6 here at Chaksari ground. Very good shot played by the batsman Tahir Ahmed. 6 for Tahir, 6 for Chukar Royals. The score moves on 33 runs. Very good batting by Tahir Ahmed. The low total at this ground, 106 runs now. Bat Umar to the batsman Tahir. This is wide delivery given by the umpire. The score moves on 34 runs without any wicket. Sajad Ahmad Dar, what a sound. Thank you, Shaukat Sah, for your love, for your support, TM. This is Bat Umar to the batsman Tahir. This is not good bowling by Bat Umar. Very This is a wide delivery given by the umpire. The score moves on 35 without any loss. Now Bat Umar to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. He's on 10. Oh, this is a great comeback by Bat Umar. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 35 without any loss. Sam Bilal, one more. Thank you, sir, for love. Thanks for your support to Chukar Royals, and also thanks for your support to TM. Sajad Mushtaq, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam for watching this live stream, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel. This is Bat Umar. He is very expensive to the batsman Tahir, and this is a great delivery by Bat Umar. Dot delivery, and this is end of 4 hours. The score on board is 35 without any wicket. Irshad lefty, he is on 17, and Tahir he is on 10. Sheikh completed 2 hours, and Bat Umar completed 2 hours. Here Black Cap Chaksari, they need early wickets here if they want to stay in the tournament in this match, because they have given very low total to Chukar Royals. और Chukar Royals के पास बैटिंग में बहुत ही गहराई है. अगर हम बात करें Chukar Royals की, तो बैटिंग में बहुत ही गहराई है उनके पास. Now Ali Muhammad, the senior bowler of this Black Caps Chuck City, is on his bowling mark. To the batsman Irshad lefty, he is on 17 runs and he faces 16 deliveries. Sajjad Mushtaq, sir, आपकी qualification क्या है? Thanks Sajjad sir for your love and keep share this live stream. This is Ali Muhammad to the batsman Irshad lefty, and oh, this is another shot, another good quality shot played by Irshad lefty, the big man Irshad lefty. With this score, the score moves on 39, and with this score, the score of individual score of Irshad lefty is 21 run. Very good batting by Irshad lefty here. After 4.1 hours, the score on board is 39 without any wicket. Ali Muhammad on his bowling mark to Irshad lefty. Another. This is a good comeback by Ali Muhammad. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 39 without any loss. This is great batting at this ground, Chuck City. This is another good delivery, good comeback by Ali Muhammad. He is one of the senior cricketer of Black Caps Chuck City. Now Ali Muhammad on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. And this is a no run. Score remains on 39 without any loss. This is Ali Muhammad on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. This is another good delivery by bowler Ali Muhammad. He is one of the senior cricketer of this team Black Cap Chuck City. बहुत ही महारत रखते हैं गेंदबाजी में Ali Muhammad. So this is Ali Muhammad on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad lefty. Irshad lefty plays another good shot for another 4. This is 4 for Irshad lefty and 4 for Chukkar Royals. With this 4, the score moves on 43 runs. And the individual score of Irshad lefty is 25 runs. And the partnership moves on 43 runs. Very good batting by the two batsmen Irshad lefty and Tahir. And this is end of 5 hours. The score is 43 without any wicket. Sajjad Mushtaq, thank you for your love to me. It is a very good question at your live stream. This is good match between the two Tamils Black Caps Chuck City and Chukkar Royals. आज काफी निराश किया चुक्कर Chuck City Black Caps ने अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को, वो क्योंकि एक लो टोटल दिया चुक्कर रॉयल्स को, सिर्फ 106 रन का तोहफुज दिया. यहाँ पे आज तारीफ करनी होगी चुक्कर रॉयल्स के बॉलर्स की. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया यहाँ पे आज इकबाल मेमोरियल चक सिटी ग्राउंड. नाउ दिस इज द न्यू बॉलर ऑन हिज बॉलिंग मार्क टू द बैट्समैन, बिग हिटर ऑफ चुक्कर रॉयल्स, Irshad Tahir. This is another shot played by the batsman Tahir. This is 4 for Tahir, 4 for Chukkar Royals. Very good batting at this ground, Sri Varpura Iqbal Memorial. This is Imran Khan on his first ball. The score moves on 47 without any loss. Now Imran Khan on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. He is on 14 runs. He faces 10 deliveries. And Irshad lefty, he is on 25. Now it's Imran Khan on his bowling mark to the batsman. Oh, मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे पीछ हुए Tahir Ahmed. This is good comeback by Imran Khan. Dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 47 without any loss. This is Imran to the batsman. This is a good shot played by the batsman, and this is a very good fielding at the end, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 48 runs without any loss. Now, Irshad lefty on strike. Sajjad Ahmed Dar, highlight to say a live match. Thanks. This is a live streaming at Iqbal Memorial Sri Varpura ground between Black Caps Chuck City and Chukkar Royals. Tariq Nabi, Bilal bhai, thoda zoom karo. Thank you, Tariq Nabi sahab, for your love to watch this live stream. Comment section mein zaro. This is Imran to Irshad lefty. This is good delivery by Imran. This is dot delivery, no run. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए। दिस इज इमरान खान टू द बैट्समैन इरशाद लेफ्टी। दिस इज फुल टॉस डिलीवरी हियर, नॉट गुड डिलीवरी एट द एंड। दिस इज गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय इरशाद लेफ्टी। दिस इज ह्यूज 6 by Irshad Lefty and 6 for Lefty and 6 for Chukkar Royals. This is 50 up for Chukkar Royals, 54 on board without any wicket, and they face only 36 deliveries. Very good batting by the two batsmen Irshad Lefty and Tahir Ahmed on this round. Sri Varpura Iqbal Memorial. Now this is Imran Khan on his bowling mark to the batsman Irshad Lefty. And this is another good shot played by Irshad Lefty. This is another four for Irshad Lefty and another 4 for Chukkar Royals. यहाँ पे दरकार है विकेटों की ब्लैक कैप्स चक्सरू की, लेकिन आज तारीफ करनी होगी चुक्कर रॉयल्स की। अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा कर रहा है यहाँ पे इरशाद लेफ्टी और ताहिर अहमद, एंड आल्सो वेल बॉलिंग टुडे एट श्री वारपुरा बाय द बॉलर्स ऑफ चुक्कर रॉयल्स। After 6 hours, the score on board is 58 without any wicket. कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और हमारी लाइव स्ट्रीम की क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए। दिस इज चुक्कर रॉयल्स वर्सेस ब्लैक कैप चक्सरी।
स्कोर कितने गए?
Imran Khan completed his first over, but that over was very expensive over. 15 runs in that over. Now the big hitter, big man for Chukkar Royals, Tahir Ahmed on strike now. And the senior most bowler Ali Mohammad, he is on his bowling mark to the batsman Tahir Ahmed. Score 58 without any loss. This is Ali Mohammad. Oh! This is another big hit by KM, the big hitter of this Chukkar Royals. And this is big, huge 6 and 6 for Tahir, 6 for Chukkar Royals. Very good batting at this ground, Chaksiri, Srivapura, Iqbal Memorial. Great batting here by the batsman of Chukkar Royals. The score moves on 64 without any wicket. Ali Mohammad. Oh, here is the chance of a wicket of Tahir Ahmed. Can they? Oh, this is the wicket of Tahir Ahmed, and this is the first wicket for Black Cap Chaksiri. Chukkar Royals lost their first wicket in the shape of Tahir Ahmed. Tahir Ahmed goes on 21 runs. Good batting at the end by Tahir Ahmed, and this is first wicket. And the score on board is 64 run, and they lost 1 wicket. Now the batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir come on crease. He is on strike. And अगर हम इसकी बात करें नदीम की, इससे पहले भी बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग का मुजाहरा किया चुक्कर तलबा ग्राउंड में कल के मैच में, जो चुक्कर रॉयल्स वर्सेस राइजिंग स्टार पोशवानी के बीच में था। 89 runs knock played yesterday at Chukkar Tolba ground by Nadeem Akbar Mir. Now he is on strike. Ali Mohammad takes his first wicket in the shape of Tahir Ahmed. Just Fasu, TM, remember the name. Thank you Just Fasu for your love to TM. Very good batting by TM, and Irshad Lefty. He is on non-strike, and Black Caps Chaksiri, they need here wickets, early wickets if they want to stay in this match, stay in this tournament, because this is a knockout tournament. This is first wicket for Chukkar Royals in the shape of Tahir Ahmed. Now the new batsman is Nadeem Akbar Mir. He is one of the most senior and good batsman of this Chukkar Royals team. Yesterday he takes the award of man of the match because he played yesterday very well, knock off 89 runs against Rising Star Poshwani. Now he is on strike. Ali Mohammad is the most senior player of this Black Caps Chaksiri. He takes his first wicket in the shape of Tahir Ahmed. Now Ali Mohammad on his bowling mark to the new batsman Nadeem Akbar Mir. And this is a good delivery by Ali Mohammad, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 65, and they lost 1 wicket. Now they need only 41 runs. This is a very low total at this pitch given by Black Caps Chaksiri to Chukkar Royals. आज निराश किया ब्लैक कैप्स चक्सरी ने अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को अपनी बैटिंग से. Now they need early wickets if they want to stay in this match, in this tournament, because this tournament is a knockout tournament. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुक्कर रॉयल्स के बॉलर्स की उतनी कम है. बहुत ही अच्छी बॉलिंग का मुजाहरा किया आज यहाँ पे इकबाल मेमोरियल श्री वारपुरा ग्राउंड में. Now Irshad lefty on strike. Ali Mohammed on his bowling ball to the batsman Irshad lefty. And this is a good shot played by Irshad lefty, but at the end very good fielding by the fielder of Black Caps, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves on 66 runs and they lost 1 wicket. Shabir Rathar, Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam Shabir Rathar sir for watching this live stream and for your love for support this live stream, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Ali Mohammed to the batsman Nadeem Akbar. This is a good delivery by Ali Mohammed, dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 66 and they lost 1 wicket of Tahir Ahmed. Ali Mohammed too, and this is a good comeback by Ali Mohammed, but at the end the two batsmen take a single. Good great running between the two batsmen. After 7 hours the score on board 67. Irshad lefty, he is on 36. Tahir Ahmed goes on 21. Nadeem Akbar Mir, he is on 2 runs. This is the second over complete by Ali Mohammed. He gives 17 runs and take a wicket off Tahir Ahmed. This is a T20 Cup played at Akbal Memorial, Sri Varpura. The two teams are Chukar Royals versus Black Caps, Sri Varpura. First, Sri Varpura Black Caps, they win the toss and they opted to bat first, but they cannot give the total, huge total, but they give only total target 106. This is a this is a chance. This is a chance of wicket. This is wicket, and this is the end of Nadeem Akbar Mir. Sajid takes his first wicket on his first delivery. This is second wicket for Black Caps, Sri Varpura. Chukar Royals lost their second wicket in the shape of Nadeem Akbar Mir, but they need a low total here. 106 runs is the target for Chukar Royals. Here is low for Nadeem to by Ali Mohammed, the senior player of this Black Caps Chaksi. Now the new batsman is on crease. Senior most player of Chukar Royals, Javed Ahmed Lone Saab. Now he is on strike. Chukar Royals, they lost their 2 wickets. They need now 39 runs to win this match. शिविर साहब आपका शुक्रिया इस लाइव स्ट्रीम में जुड़ने के लिए, और इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, और आप हमारे YouTube चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल, वहाँ पे भी आप इस लाइव स्ट्रीम को देख सकते हैं मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। आपका हमारी तरफ से शुक्रिया कि आप हमेशा हमें सपोर्ट करते हो, इसके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा शुक्रिया। हमें YouTube पे भी आप सपोर्ट कर सकते हो, वहाँ भी सब्सक्राइब करें मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। Pare Ejaz, thank you watching for Mumbai. Thank you Pare Ejaz sahab for your love, for your support also. Thanks for watching this live stream. Maqsood Khan sahab, thank you Maqsood sahab for us with this live stream. Thank you Maqsood sahab, and also Pare Ejaz sahab, thanks for your love. Keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this. Now this is the new batsman Javed Lone on his on crease. He's on strike now. The senior batsman for Chukar Royals, Sajad to the batsman. Here Chukar Royals need only 39 runs. They not need to hurry here because they have low total 106 runs. Sajid to the batsman Javed Lone. Here is an but at and good shot played by the batsman Javed Lone. This is first 4 for Javed. With this score, the score moves on 71 runs and they lost 2 wickets. Mehraj Deen, thank you Mehraj Deen sir for watching this live stream. This is Javed, the senior player of this Chukar Royals. He opens his account with 4. This is Sajad to the batsman Javed. Another shot played by the batsman. This is another shot well played by the batsman Javed Lone. This is another 4 par Javed. Another 4 par Chukar Royals. Very good shot played by the batsman Javed Lone Saab. The score moves on 75 for the loss of 2 wickets. Now this is Sajid to the batsman Javed Lone. He is on it with the help of 2 fours. This is Sajid to the batsman, and this is a good comeback by the bowler Sajid. No run. Score remains on 75 for the loss of 2 wickets. Sam Bilal, short sir, thank you. Sam Bilal sir, for your love to Javed sir. This is a good love from Sam Bilal. This is Sajid to the batsman Javed Lone. This is another good delivery by Sajid. This is totally no run. Score remains on 75 for the loss of 2. This is end of 8 hours. After 8 hours, the score is 75 for the loss of 2. Irshad lefty on 36. Tahir goes 21. Javed Lone, he is on 8 runs. But Fayaz, अब यहाँ पे आज़ान हुई उसके लिए सारी उसके थोड़े इज्जत करनी है आज़ान की इसके लिए So welcome again. This is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Javed Lone. The score is on board 77 for the loss of 2. Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Javed Lone. This is another good delivery by Sheikh Mushtaq. This is a dot delivery, no run. Score remains on 77 and the last 2 now. Javed Lone, he is on 8 runs. Irshad lefty, he is on 37. Now they need only 29 runs. This is a low total here at Iqbal Memorial, Srivarpura, given by Black Cap Chaksiri to Chukarwal Sheikh Mushtaq. And this is not bowling here by the bowler of Black Cap Sheikh Mushtaq. This is another wide given by the umpire. The score moves on 78 for the loss of 2 wickets. Sam Bilal, mashallah, kya voice hai Muzin ki. Thank you for your love to Muzin, and this is very great noise by the Muzin of this Masjid Sharif. And here is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Javed. It is a good delivery at hand by Sheikh Mushtaq. Dot delivery, no runs. Score remains on 78 for the loss of 2 wickets. Thank you for watching this live stream, and keep share this live stream with your friends, and you can also watching this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Javed. This is another wide delivery, not good bowling by Sheikh Mushtaq. This is another wide. The score moves on 79. Now they need only 27 runs in 68 deliveries. This is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Javed Lone. And this is another good shot played by the batsman Javed Lone, but can take only a single. With this single, the score moves on 80 for the loss of 2 wickets. यहाँ पे आज निराश किया आज ब्लैक कैप्स श्रीवारपुरा ने अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को, क्योंकि आज उनकी बैटिंग यहाँ पे निराश दिखाई नजर दी यहाँ पे. So this is Sheikh Mushtaq to the fan here. This is a wicket of Irshad lefty. black caps. They take the wicket of Irshad Lefty. Here is not happy Irshad Lefty. He is out on 37 runs. Great knock played by Irshad Lefty. Very good knock played here by Irshad Lefty at Iqbal Memorial, Sri Varpura. Good knock at the end by Irshad Lefty. End of Irshad Lefty. Now Chukar Rivals. They lost their third wicket and they have 80 runs on board. Now they need only 26. Yet to bat Kaisar, Ishfaq, JD, Nisar. Now the big hitter, big man of Chukar Rivals. Kaisar जिसमें वो क्षमता है खेलने की, बिग हिट्स करने की, जिसके पास टैलेंट है. Now the new batsman Kaisar. 80 runs on board and they lost 3 wickets. Now Sheikh Mushtaq take his first wicket of Irshad Lefty. Sam Bilal umpire Funas Ushan. Thank you Sam Bilal sir for your love to this Here was the fan of Chukar Rivals wants to This is Mir Umar. Thank you Mir Umar sir for watching this live stream and thanks for your love to this live stream. And this is Muhammad to the bat. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Javed Lone. This is 4 for Javed, 4 for Chukar Rivals. With this 4, the score goes on 84 and they lost 3 wickets. Good batting at the end by Javed Lone. He is one of the most senior cricketer player of this Chukar Rivals team. Now Ali Muhammad to the batsman Javed Lone. Another shot played by the batsman Javed Lone, but at the end the 2 batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 85 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. Now Kaisar, the new batsman on a strike, the big hitter of this team Chukar Rivals. Oh, here is a chance of this wicket. Oh, this is a loss for Black Caps. They lost this wicket of Kaisar. The 2 batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves on 86. Now they need only 20 runs. This is a good batting by Chukar Rivals here. And this is a great bowling here by Ali Muhammad. Good comeback by Ali Muhammad. Dr. Viri, no run. Score remains on 86. Pari Ejaz, Inayat Fruits watching from Assam. Thank you Inayat sir for watching this live stream from Assam. Thanks for your love. This is Ali Muhammad. Oh, the senior player of this team Chukar Rivals. Big hit, quality shot by Javed Lone. This is 6 for Javed, 6 for Chukar Rivals. This is great knock by Javed Lone. With this 6, the score moves on 92 runs. Now they need only 14 runs. This is good shot. This is Ali Muhammad. And this is good comeback by Ali Muhammad. No run. Score remains on 92 runs for the loss of 3 after 10 hours. Irshad Lefty. Good knock played by Irshad Lefty of 37 in just 29 deliveries.
अब उर्दू में बताओ, मुझे नहीं आता है.
Now this is Sheikh Mushtaq again to the batsman Kaisar. Now they need only 2 big hits, only 14 runs they need. आज जितनी तारीफ की जाए चुकर वायरस की बहुत ही कम है. ओहो, दिस इज गुड शॉट प्लेड बाय द बैट्समैन काइसर. इससे पहले भी हमने कहा था उसमें क्षमता है, टेक्निक है, ताकत है. दिस इज फर्स्ट 6 फॉर काइसर, दिस इज 6 फॉर चुकर वायरस. नाउ दे नीड ओनली 8 रन्स. Oh, what a knock played today by the batsman of Chukar Rivals here at Sri Varpura ground. This is Sam Bilal. Finish this match in this over. Right now, this is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman Kaisar, the big hitter of this Chukar Rivals team. Oh, this is no ball given by the umpire. No ball. The score moves on 99 for the loss of 3. Now. आज निराश किया ब्लैक कैप चक्सरी ने अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फॉलोअर्स को आज निराश किया. लेकिन ये मैच है, ये क्रिकेट है. हार जीत तो होती रहती है. So this is Sheikh Mushtaq to the batsman. Kaiser wants to hit it, but at and he misses this ball. Great comeback by Sheikh Mushtaq. The score remains on 99 for the loss of 3. Sam Bilal shot. Kaisu, thanks for your love to Kaiser. This is Sam's love to Kaiser, big hitter of this team, Chukar Royals. Now Sheikh Mushtaq on his bowling mark to the batsman Kaiser. Oh, this is a good comeback by the bowler Sheikh Mushtaq. Total very score remain as 99. They need now 7 runs to win this match. This is great match between the two teams. Black Caps Chaksari versus Chukar Royals at Iqbal Memorial, Srivarpura. But at the end, the low total on this ground given by Black Caps 106 runs. This is Kaiser. Oh, this is another shot. At the end, it is 4 for Kaiser, 4 for Chukar Royals. This is great batting by Kaiser. Now they need only 3 runs to win this match. Can they win this match in this over? This will be seen in next. Great knock here played by the batsman of Chukar Royals, and also great bowling by the bowlers of Chukar Royals. This is Sheikh Bashir, very expensive in this over to the batsman Kaiser. Oh, this is another shot played by the batsman, and this is win for Chukar Royals. Great knock by Chukar Royals. This is very good knock here played by the batsman of Chukar Royals, and this is the end of Chukar Royals. Great knock by the batsman of Chukar Royals, and also very well bowling today at Srivarpura ground by the bowlers of Chukar Royals. So this is the end of this innings, and Chukar Royals win this match with 7 wickets. Man of the match. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अब आपका खैर मुकदम, हम इसको एंड करेंगे यहीं पे. तो Chukar Royals win this match. Very good knock to be played by the batsman of Chukar Royals, and this is the end of this match. Chukar Royals win this match.